Hi friends, I'm Max, Dot's co-founder. Since you are here, chances are you've seen a scene like this before in your browser. Many tabs, maybe multiple windows, really the productivity killer, and a huge mental load to find anything in this mess, right? 5 years ago when we started Toast, this was exactly the problem we wanted solved. We want our browsers clean and not have to deal with this many windows. So let me show you how Toast can help. Let's start with these first two windows that we have at the forefront. So this one is my primary window. This is where I do the work, and ultimately I want just this window to be open, nothing else. But earlier in the day, I've been working on some documentation work, so I create another window for it to separate it into, let's say, another workflow. And unfortunately, I haven't finished the task, so I would like to get to it later. But all this time, I don't want this window to be in my way and distracting me with everything it has inside. So I can get to Toast and solve this problem by saving the window. Hit save, we can see all of the tabs from the window get right into the Toast. This thing here allows you to automatically close all of these tabs once they're saved. Funny thing about it is that I personally wrote the code for it, and I'm certain it will never lose any tab for me, but somehow mentally I cannot let myself click it, so I always kind of try to avoid it, and I save it this way, and then I hit the close button right there once I'm done. So this is Doc's work. Let's call it like this and save it to the new folder, which you can see right there, all of our 9 links, and we can save to close it. Now, how do we get back to it? If needed, we can come here, click there, you can open link by link or open all at once, and there's a handy shortcut on the first page right here to open all at once. But that's how you save an entire window. But you would say, Max, how do I save just one tab? Like, what if I'm doing a research, finding something, and I just want to add pieces one by one of information to my folders? Let me show you it on the example of my Lisbon trip planning. I'm gonna go to Lisbon with my friends sometime, and we're preparing which things to visit and see, where to serve. So we go to Toast, and right here we have our Lisbon Places folder, and there's a shortcut to add a folder, a big plus right there. We click it, and it adds a folder, adds a tab to the folder. Cool thing is that it will never add a duplicate for you. So if the link is already in there, it will check and never create a mess for you by saving the same things over and over. So your folders will be clean and useful. Now, on this front, I would like to show you one really amazing party trick and just time saver for me. So modern browsers, just like your operating system, allow you to select multiple tabs by holding your command on Mac or control button on Windows and just clicking as if you're selecting files on your desktop. And you can see that 3 of them are selected. And guess what? Toast obviously knows about it. We have Save 3 highlight right there, and the plus right here also supports them. So you can click plus and add 2 tabs in our case because the first one we already saved. So this is on saving. These are the key things you need to know to get started with Toast, and the rest you can get through pretty naturally on your own just by clicking, exploring all the functionality. Toast has been there for 5 years on the market. But since you are here, still, it's worth for me to show you a few more tricks. First of all, Toast was built from the ground up to be a cross-browser solution and actually cross-system platform solution. We have a web application, we obviously have a mobile app, right? So everything you need is there on any browser, and with the web app you can theoretically open it on your TV. It's going ridiculous, right? But the great thing is that if you're using this on your multiple browsers, multiple desktops, everything is always in sync. So all your folders are in the web app, all your folders are in the extension. And if we go, for example, to Safari, all your folders are as well here. So everything that we saved, and if I hit save or add something here, it will for sure appear on my other browser. What else? Line synchronization. This is a nice feature that in real time saves everything that you do in your browser for you to see. If you come, let's say, to work and forgot something at home on your computer that was there, and you don't know which tabs were open there, you can see it right here. So in Chrome, we have all of these tabs, right? Our Lisbon trip, my main window, it's all saved in real time. So whenever I do any edits or open anything, like let's say Apple, it is immediately added to this slide synchronization thing. So here we can see that Apple is right there from this window. I think the last trick that I want to show you is just a little bit different way to save your tabs. It's a bit hidden here, but if you know about it, it may be much more comfortable to save tabs one by one. So you can go here, there's save all tabs, and there's save current tab to folder. I usually use this one. So for example, I would like to shop here, like buy iPhone. So I would rename the tab this way, and if I need to, I can select an existing folder, or in this case, I don't have like shopping folder. So I would add one, hit enter, and there we go. Folder saved successfully, and the link is obviously inside. For the last, as we've been discussing the Lisbon trip, we have collected a few interesting tabs. And it's good to share it with somebody, right? It's really useful information.
And they will see this list in this nice cool page, right? And they can check this out and let you know what they think. Maybe you can just recommend something. I've been using this to recommend places to my friends that are not even using Toast even. And another thing you may notice is this icon right next to the number of links. This is actually the next step. If your friends are using Toast, you can actually collaborate the folder with them. So this one is shared with me, and both myself and my friends can add links to it, and all of us will be able to see all of these links and manage them together.
And there you have it. That's how you use Toast, at least the basics and a little bit of advanced things. Keep exploring, keep trying the new features, and whenever you have an idea, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you, and we hope you'll enjoy Toast. Bye.